Do you only use Apple Memos to take notes? Your iPhone Notes is a hidden but powerful productivity tool. Need to scan a paper document? Skip the printer. Just long press Notes, hit Scan Documents. Then position the document in view. Hold your iPhone over the paper. Your iPhone can automatically detect edges and scan. Tap the shutter button or wait for auto capture. Boom! Your documents turn into a crisp PDF. If your document is rotated, you can drag near corner to adjust after shooting, and then click Keep Scan. You can adjust the scan, color filters, or crop based on your needs. Then tap Keep Scan. Now the scanned document is saved in your notes. What's even better is that you can add your signature directly. Click the down arrow, then choose Quick Look. Tap Markup, click the plus sign, and choose Add Signature. If you don't have a signature, choose Add or Remove Signature. Enter your signature and click Done. You can also change the position and the size of your signature. After adjustment, click Done. You can share it with your friends just by choosing them from contacts. Perfect for signing contracts on the fly. If you want extra security, just tap the 3 dots in the top corner and hit Lock. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can also enable Face ID. Now it's protected by Face ID. That's all we want to talk about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. See you in the next video.